A company called MoonCool sent me one of their adult tricycles, the TK1 model, a trike with a folding frame and a 1-speed drive. In this 2-minute video, you'll get a glimpse of the way it was packed, and since it was already 95% assembled, you'll see how simple it was to install the different components. Stay tuned. It came in a large box made of very thick cardboard. After cutting open the box, I saw metal parts wrapped in foam padding and zip ties. After freeing the trike from its protective packaging, I placed the small parts and the toolkit on a flat surface. And then I read the well-illustrated and detailed instruction booklet written in good English. The trike was already 95% assembled, so there wasn't much left to deal with. The first step was to unfold it. Actually, for me, this was the hardest step, mainly because I was afraid of scratching the handlebar assembly on the floor. The unfolding of the riser stem was straightforward, and sliding the handlebar assembly into the stem was easy. It's interesting that they added graduations along the stem. Before installing the front wheel came the installation of the front fender. The required screws were stored in their respective screw holes so they couldn't get lost or mistaken for the wrong ones. Then we remove the plastic insert from between the brake pads and insert the wheel, which is held in place with a standard quick release bolt. The seat comes next. It's already attached to its seat post, so you just need to slide it into the seat tube and clamp it at the appropriate height with the quick release lever. Although the rear basket is installed at the factory, the buyer has to install the front one. It's held in place in front of the head tube with 4 hex bolts. The nice big front headlight attaches to the front basket with 1 nut and bolt. And the wiring cable plugs into a yellow plug while taking care to align the 2 arrows correctly. And that was all there was to it. Well, actually, it took me about an hour, including the time it took to go through the manual and to deal with the packaging afterwards. That's what the assembly of the MoonCool TK1 folding tricycle is all about. If you'd like to watch the video of my review of the trike, you'll learn about all its features, you'll see performance tests, pedaling with and without the motor assistance, and maneuverability tests. You'll see how far we can push it without capsizing, hill climbing tests, speed tests, and braking tests. Following that, you'll be taken for a ride on Gatineau streets, gravel and dirt trails, and a very rough trail along a natural path carved on the surface of the Canadian Shield. Finally, you'll find out what I think is the best demographic for owning a trike. Simply click at the top here. Thanks for watching, and remember, never stop cycling.